Hey guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Just when you thought that Huawei is done launching and hyping the P20 series, we got surprised when we received news and also a review unit about the Huawei P20 Lite. Dubbed as Huawei Nova 3E in China, this worthy successor to the Nova line, or a lighter but still premium version of the P20, is going to be a huge treat to Huawei fans in the Philippines. The device boasts impressive cast of specifications and features that will delight the fans of the brand and even mobile photography lovers. Let's go ahead and unbox this P20 Lite. Note though that this is not yet a retail unit. It comes in various colors: Klein Blue, Sakura Pink, Midnight Black, and Platinum Gold. I received a Klein Blue variant and I think it looks fantastic. You'll see pretty standard stuff inside the box. There's an included SIM ejector too to remove the hybrid SIM tray. Tucked inside our USB Type-C cable. A Huawei Quick Charge compatible charger. And a standard 3.5mm headphone. The Huawei P20 Lite bears subtle similarities to the P20 and P20 Pro. It has a 5.84 Huawei Full View 2.0 display with insane bezel edges and cutout. Sleep-wake button and volume rockers are on its right side, and the hybrid SIM tray is located on the left side. Now let me remove the SIM tray for you to have a closer look at it. Huawei decided to not get rid of the 3.5mm headphone jack. It's located just beside the USB Type-C port, microphone, and speaker grills. There is another microphone located at the top of the phone for noise cancelling purposes. The phone looks amazing in my honest opinion. At first look, if you're familiar with the design of the Huawei P20 and P20 Pro, P20 Lite does really look like it's part of the family. The placement of dual camera is pretty on point as well. You will not find a Leica branding here since this phone doesn't have any Leica sensors, lens, or image processor. There is of course a fingerprint sensor, which is the only thing that's drastically different from the P20 series. P20's and P20 Pro's fingerprint sensors are located just below its screen. In the case of P20 Lite, it is at the back to maximize its screen real estate. Oh, speaking of screens, here's Huawei Nova 2i compared to Huawei P20 Lite. P20 Lite's body is significantly smaller, but its screen is almost as big and as wide as the Nova 2i. The location of buttons and SIM trays are quite identical as well, and the same goes with the headphone jack, charging ports, mic, and speaker grills. Now here's Vivo V9 compared to Huawei P20 Lite. It is obvious that P20 Lite is a much smaller phone compared to its competitors. But between the two phones, Nova 2i and Vivo V9, V9 is its closest competitor, especially in terms of features and unique selling proposition. The upcoming smartphone by Huawei has a notched 5.94-inch display with 19:9 aspect ratio. P20 Lite's notch is thinnest among competition. It measures around 18.5mm at its thickest point, while Oppo's and Vivo's latest smartphones have notches that measure 20mm. If you don't want the notch to be seen, P20 Lite's notch may be hidden by sandwiching it with overlay black bars. This may be done at will via the phone's setting menu. This is something that, at the moment, Huawei can do with their smartphones with notched displays. Another thing to point out is the Kirin 659 that sits at the core of the smartphone. This is the same processor that powers the Nova 2i, and that's something worth looking at. Performance bump may not be as significant when compared to Nova 2i, but we're still taking everything with a grain of salt as it's still very early to give a verdict. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei P20 Lite. If you like this video, we would appreciate if you can click that like button and also click that bell button as well, so you will receive notifications whenever we have new videos. And if you're watching this on Facebook, thank you guys for watching as well, and we would appreciate as well if you could click that like button. Again, this has been GN of Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video.